Here's your ultimate guide to conservatorship bonds. Before explaining what a conservatorship bond is, let's find out first who a conservator is. A conservator is a person appointed by the court to administer the property of an adult. This person will make property decisions on behalf of a conservatee. A conservatee, on the other hand, is an adult or person deemed by the court as an incapacitated person, or a ward who lacked the mental or physical capacity to make the decisions himself or herself. Oftentimes, the term conservator is used interchangeably with the term guardian. There are differences between the two. Specifically, a conservator is a court-appointed person who takes care of a conservatee's estate or financial dealings, while a guardian is a court-appointed person who makes healthcare decisions for the conservatee, including other decisions that don't involve money. Now let's get to know what a conservatorship bond is. A conservatorship bond is usually required by the court and must be submitted by a person in order to qualify as a conservator. It is a type of probate bond required of a conservator for the protection of a conservatee's estate. A conservator acts as a fiduciary for the conservatee. Since conservators are given full or partial authority over someone, the court requires a conservatorship bond to protect at-risk individuals and their estates. This is to ensure that the conservator will faithfully perform the duties required by the court and to recover any losses if the conservator conducts misconduct. What is the cost of the bond? You don't need to pay the surety the full bond amount. You only need to pay a percentage of it, also known as the premium. If you have an excellent credit score, typically you will pay 0.5% of the bond amount as your bond cost. For example, if the bond amount is $200,000, then $200,000 times 0.005 equals $1,000 would be the bond premium. Bonds larger than $250,000 are based on a sliding scale and will cost slightly less than 0.5%. How do you get a conservatorship bond? We have made the conservatorship bond process easier so that you can get yours immediately. Just make sure that you have gathered the documents needed before submitting your application to avoid delays. 1. Apply for the bond. 2. Assessment. Next, you will be asked to submit a few standard information to assess the following: your job or business history, your credit score, your financial strength. Aside from those, the underwriter will request to submit the following: any court documents that show that you are asked to get this bond, a written explanation as to why you are appointed as the conservator, and the type of appointment. Example, general conservator, temporary conservator, LPS conservator. 3. Indemnity agreement. Once the underwriting process is complete, you will be asked to sign an indemnity agreement. Once signed, the bond will be issued and sent to you. Are you looking to secure a conservatorship bond fast? We will guide you through the process. Please do not hesitate to contact us today at 800-333-7800. You may also visit our website at www.suretybondauthority.com and get your free quote today.